So guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this blinking game filter on Instagram and how to use the filter. So this is the filter. Just tap on the screen and start blinking. It will count your blink. Likewise, blink faster. Likewise. So to get this effect on Instagram, visit the creator profile. Javi is the creator of this filter. You can follow him to unlock these filters to your Instagram camera tray. So check in his filter gallery, and this is the filter, the blinking game. Tap on it and you will see this preview. From here you can save it to your Instagram camera tray, and you can tap on try to try the filter. And suppose you are not getting the effect like this, then what you can do, you can visit this website also. Link to this website I'll give in the description box below. So here in this website you will see link to the filter. Just tap on the link and open it with Instagram. Okay, and likewise also you can get this effect. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.